of our best designers made this, and our ClickBank dedicated programmer, our special programmer. So you're using basically our team to help you create the best possible products you can, or opt-in pages. So that is our little quick demo. Okay, there's so many amazing aspects with the builder, but really I want to show you how easy it is, because that's where most people fail. So the secret to your online success isn't traffic, right? It's creating high converting funnels. And you learned today that traffic is virtually unlimited, right? There's billions of people on Facebook, YouTube, Google that you can literally advertise to. Everyone, right? Almost everyone that has an internet connection, you can advertise to. The issue is that when you do advertise, chances are you won't be profitable. You're not going to be able to put money in and get more money out without a high converting and optimized funnel. It's just something I think you most likely will not succeed with if you don't have a highly converting optimized funnel. And traffic gets really cheap for every lead and every sale you get if you have a high converting funnel that's profitable. You know, traffic could even be free if you have a product in V3, right? The version 3, because affiliates are driving traffic for you. We've taught tens of thousands of people, literally almost 100,000 people. And the number one issue is that people don't have the tech skills to create high converting funnels, so they never profitably drive traffic. With a high converting funnel, you can drive traffic at a profit, and that's when the money really starts going in. So if you ask the top products on ClickBank and the top affiliates on ClickBank, what's the crucial aspect? Number one, most crucial aspect of their business. They will all say without a doubt, the ability to drive traffic at a profit with a high converting funnel, okay? That's just the truth of it. So I hope I simplified it from this whole training. To make sure we deliver the best funnels for our members, we made them using the same team as we currently use for our own marketing. Access to are created by and designed by and formatted by and perfected by our own conversion specialist designer, our top ClickBank copywriter, and ClickBank specialized programmers, and our own product specialist. So competitors charge $97 and up per month. Okay, some of you guys might have mentioned some of the competitors in there. I don't want to say any names, but these can get really expensive. $299 per month for some versions of their software. And at $300 per month, that's $3,600 per year, and it still comes with limitations. So we wanted to do something much different. First off, we didn't want to limit you. Other platforms limit you based on traffic, the amounts of funnels you can have, the amounts of products you can have, the amounts of opt-in pages or sites, and that really limits your success. So the first thing is you're going to get unlimited sites, unlimited opt-in pages, unlimited funnels, unlimited subdomains, unlimited traffic. There's no limit. And that's going to allow you to create unlimited profit and potential for you. Now, the second thing is that these platforms that the other people use, you usually need to pay for hosting for every single site you make. Okay, so usually that means extra costs every month based on the amounts of sites you have. Again, this limits your success. That's why we're going to pay for your hosting for you for every site you make. One of the other reasons we're paying for you is so that you don't have to worry about hooking up your hosting to your site, because that's actually where a lot of people fail. They just fail at hooking up their hosting provider to their site. I actually still struggle with this. And thirdly, other platforms, is thirdly a word? I'm not sure. But thirdly, other platforms get confusing, all right? I'm not about that. They're really meant for advanced marketers. And with the builder, we made the tech the easiest part because we had a feeling that a lot of people on here were beginners. So everything is easy, point and click. If you can write an email, you can set up a high converting funnel. It's made to be the easiest platform out there. There's no APIs, there's no coding, there's no programmers, designers that you need, all right? The fourth thing that's incredibly different than the other guys, that means no monthly payments, ever. And the reason is because we don't want you to worry about making enough money to get to that next monthly payment, all right? That's not a good feeling to feel like if I don't make enough, I'm